How to enable or disable lock format for video recording on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen or in the app screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then from the pop-out toolbar, tap on the settings icon. Next in here, go down to the video section and tap on advanced video options. Now in here, go down and then tap on log, tap on the left hand side panel, and then at the top here you can turn on or switch off lock format. If you turn it on, you can also choose, so here select which mods to add the lock recording option to, so you can choose to use it for pro video mode only or video and pro video modes. So you can select both of this or simply just for pro video mode only. And after that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.